Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project pan update for you. It has been a couple months, possibly even 3, and I'm going to be absolutely honest with you. I don't think I've done that well. I am proud of a few of the products that I have put a dent in, but I've been using so many new products and stuff that this stuff has literally been on the back burner. Some of it I have been using, so we're gonna do an update, and I'm gonna continue on with the project pan updates and using of these products. They will be gone. First up, update on the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. This is done. This is gone. It is very dry formula now. You can feel that there's like barely anything on the sides of this tube. Well loved mascara. Love this mascara. I love a lot of Maybelline mascaras, so it doesn't surprise me that I really love this one. But this is done, so that is going to be out of the project pan. Next product, the e.l.f. finishing powder. This is what is left of that, and it's just a little bit around the edges, and I am just over it. So I am going to let this go because I feel like that is a fair amount to be left in there and just be done with it. Another product that's on its way out is the Unshakeable eyeliner, this liquid eyeliner pen. So I've used this a lot. I like this. I was sent this for free. I do have a link to where you can purchase this. It was a really nice eyeliner. I do have a review on it as well. I really enjoyed this, but now it is dry and it's kind of patchy going on. So, I mean, I've used it to its extent, basically. So that is done as well. Another product that is going, this was breaking me out. I love this 2-in-1 foundation and concealer from Amuse. I have used it in so many videos in everyday life, and there is still so much product left, if you can believe that. This is actually a really good product, but I did notice the last couple times I used it, it was causing me to break out. And in the makeup routine I was doing, this was the only thing that had changed, and I think it was this. So I am going to eliminate this from the project pan as well. Next up, we have the CoverGirl plus Olay CC Eye Rehab Concealer. So you can literally see through this whole packaging. So that was the first mark there, and it's so close, like the next mark would be like right there. So I didn't even mark that, but that's the first mark. So we've moved up a little bit, and a little of this goes a long way, so it will take a minute to use the rest of this up. That's why it is taking me so long in general to use it up, because a little goes a long way. And I really like this under eye concealer. It conceals and it brightens and it helps overall under eye area. I have the Color Workshop brow highlighter. I really like this highlighter, and that is where we started, and this is where we are now. So I've definitely continued to put a dent in this product. Just a very nice highlight shade, everyday kind of highlighter. So it works really nice. And yeah, so I'm going to continue to work on that. The LaColors brow pencil and highlighter pencil. This little duo here. I don't like the highlighter side, so that is why it's so much of it's still left. The brow pencil, though, I literally put a dent in. I didn't make any markings or anything, but at least was twice its size, so probably up to here or so. And I like this pencil. I think it has great pigmentation. It's kind of a waxy pencil as well, so it sets your brows in place, and it lasts all day. I have no issues with this, so I'm going to be sad when the brow pencil part of this is gone. And once it's gone, honestly, I'm just going to toss the highlighter part unless my sister wants it, because I don't like it. So it's a bit dark under the brows, and so I'm just not a fan of that. So brow pencil is going back in. Milani eyeshadow primer. Love this. Will repurchase this when this is gone. And here is where we started. Here's where we started, and here we're now, but actually we're a little bit below that line because I made this line of like a week ago, and I've been wearing makeup like crazy, so very little product left. Very little. That's so satisfying when you can like do your tube like that. I don't know anyone else like that. But yes, we're almost done with this Millennium eyeshadow primer, so we'll keep working on that. LaColors tan powder, face powder, but we've been using it for a contour. That's where we started, and this is where we are now. So we're continuing to put a good size dent in that product. I love this. I also have their I Heart Makeup contour palette, so they have a very similar shade in that to this, so I'm okay with this getting used up, and for $1 I'll repurchase it at any time after I use up the one in the I Heart Makeup contour palette. A beautiful, nice contoury bronze for fair skin tones. Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzing powder. This is the Reserve Your Cabana. Okay, and this is what's left of it. Now, if you'll remember from the first project pan, there was about 6 or 7 of these squares exposed. I believe, I would say at least 6 or 7 exposed in the middle of this. Okay, so I used a fair amount more of product. Like there was probably at least 12 or so squares showing, and then I blew the dust out of my Reserve Your Cabana, and it shattered. So yeah, I just gently blew the dust off of it, but because the product in there was so compromised and fragile, it broke. So this is what's left of it. This is what's remaining in the project pan. So we'll continue on working on this and using the rest of it up. Now, I may decide to add some products as well, so if I do, I will insert a little clip at the end. And last and final for now is the Maybelline Almond Satin Trio. This has been in 2 project pans, and I think a lot of it is because I love this so much. It's my favorite Maybelline trio ever, that I don't want to technically use it all up. But I need to get a new one. So I'm going to try to use this one up, and I'm just going to purchase a new one as well. The black is where we started. Now, if you can see from past project pan there's a blue circle in there, so that's where it started way in the past. So we've come a long way. And I did not mark the new markings because it's really too close to the product to do so. So there's that one. And that one's got a huge dent going on in it, and it's the biggest one, so you know, to be expected. This one, and updated on that one, and then that one there. So it just started as like a little dot, and it's come that far. So I've only used this a couple times actually in this project pan because, like I said, I've been testing out a ton of other products and eyeshadows and things like that. So that is why some of the products aren't as far along as I feel like they should be. But it is what it is. It's life, and life happens. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the project pan update. Stay tuned for more updates. And like I said, if I decide to add products, I will include a short little clip now. I definitely feel obligated to add a couple products. So we're going to add 2. And this is another under eye concealer, but I think we can mesh it in here and make it work as well, because the other one is technically really close to being done. And this is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion for Dark Circles concealer. I really like this product, but honestly I would love to purchase a new one because this one's been in the collection for a while, so we're going to use that up. And it's going to be hard to determine other than it becoming more dry where we are in eliminating it. And then the CoverGirl Super Sizer Mascara. Now, I did buy this on Emily Noel's recommendation. I love her videos, and most of her recommendations definitely work out for me. This mascara, I'm not the biggest fan of. It's an okay mascara. It's not my favorite mascara, so we are going to use this up. So that is the few extra added products. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more videos like this, and check the description box if you haven't already for additional links.